Hello, today I want to share with you this like slide-in screen door kitchen one. How to replace the screen and how to take the screws and take everything out from the assembly. So let's start and show you guys how you're gonna do it. Basically, I have a hole here, got a screen, trying to replace it. All you need to do is you take a screwdriver like this. That's all I'm gonna use. And there is some spots in here. There is 4 of them. They have 2 screws. So one screw, which is this one over here, you lose it all the way, and you lose the other one here. So for this plastic to come down, all you need to do, if you have the same as this one, you want to push on this down and it will slide. So I did it already, you see, up, and then you will see here will slide down. Then this door has a space from here, will start going up and it will come out by itself. So I'll give you an idea, guys, here. See, like right here, I'm already out of this door, you see. That's all you need. Only one hand I'm doing, and the door came out by itself, you see. So let's start again, show you where to go and how to do it. These doors like this, you see this side here, my first time opening them, and I have the other one in here. So with these doors there is no wheels in them, you see. There's no wheels. All you have is just one wheel on this side here, you see, on the corner here. This is the wheel actually, because it's very easy replacement. I think it's not the same as the other one. You just push up and down, that's all. Lose that screw and then you slide everything into the groove and then it will work. So if you find this video is very helpful for you, please subscribe. Okay, so this is how it works. I went to Amazon and I got this set screen door replacement. You will get, it's cost me $20, no, 23 Canadian dollar. So you get this ruler, it's a wheel that you need to press this kind of rubber thing if it's broken or maybe if it's cut or something. So this is the screen, it's darker. And I got here, I think this one is more beneficiary. I'll show you what to do with this, guys. The like a sweeper, you sweep all this dirt from here and it cleans up. It's a beneficiary for, and there is like a scooper here, you can scoop like stuff, see. Same time, it's, you just do like this, it helps you like clean the rail, make it look good. And then you got these things here, it's a little brush that you brush all the dirt with it. Okay, you want to come to the edge of the screen, you want to see if there is the small like rubber wire thing. You're just gonna lift it up like this, that's all. You see, use a needle plier or use a screwdriver, whatever that makes it convenient for you. You do it. So for me, I'm not gonna deal with this problem, so I'll just go like this, drill a hole of the screen. That's all I'm gonna do. And then lift up if it's gonna work. Yeah, it works, you see. Because I don't need these screens anymore. I'm just gonna go. And what you're gonna do if you want, just light step on the edge and you keep going like this. Light step again, you keep going all the way, you see. Keep this one for your, if you want it, because it's more creating a shape in here, you see. It's better than a new one if it's working and if it's nice. So that's how I have it. This one is kind of thinner, I think, than the one I had and the case. I believe so. Maybe they're the same. Yeah, it's not a big deal. It's just getting, it's like a male different. So we're gonna go here back again, follow again. You see him following the screen all the way down. Just doing it slowly and smoothly. See, done. Then I'm gonna put this one on the side here, and I'm taking this screen out. You see? So the best of this, you wanna lay out down this screen to get like very good measurement. This is the old screen is under the new screen. So what happened is the same size, so it's not big deal to keep small pieces, just cut it out. That's all I'm gonna do. You wanna take your screen and lay it down to the door like evenly. See how he did it? Then you can use your old wire. So that's what I'm gonna use because we're gonna make my life easy. All I'm gonna do, start from the bottom here. See, I knew I took this one from this side, so I'm gonna go this way. Okay. I took it from this side here. That's how you do it, and then you follow up with the roller. So here is the screen now. I'm just working myself on it. So you need to be careful for something I want to share it with you from this. This metal one is not good, I'll be honest. So what happened, I was rolling this way, almost done. But at the end of the day, I found out that I did some cutting here, you see. So if you want to go with this wheel, don't go straight this way, no. Go an angle, and the angle you have to be close to this edge here, but just go little by little, and you want to go one flow towards the front or towards the end or whatever you choose, but you want to go like this way all the way down, and you want to put a little bit in here, a little bit in there. So what happens, it keeps the screen like very flimsy and not too like too flimsy, like you want it to be like so stretchy and nice and it looks good. So that's what you want. You don't want it to be like up and down and wrinkles inside. So if this thing is benefiting you, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you. I just go a little by little. I'm not gonna do the same mistake. So this way, go towards the end, finish this, and stretch. I'm holding actually the string down, and I'm stretching this one this way. So in here I'm gonna stretch a little bit, then I'll do the other side more. Then we're gonna jump to the other side. Plug in the same thing, always stretch, pull, string at the same point. This is the screen, it's already done. Now just we're gonna install it. I'm gonna show you how to cut it. All you do, you take the snips like or scissors, you hold it like this, you see, and I'm just gonna go straight. Look, very easy. See, I'm using only one hand. Look, you see, I'm using only one hand. Look, this is awesome. Look again. See, this is the scissor. Don't use knife or whatever you choose. So this is how I'm using it. Just make sure don't cut the screen or something, and then you'll be fine. Because I'm using only one hand. Sorry. See, that's very easy. Gone. Okay, the door is back now. Everything is set. So how I told you, just gonna go this way. It's opening. Oh, very easy. Closing too. That's good.